Hello 11th class students. Welcome once again in online session of classroom. After learning about writing portion, we are going to study about grammatical portion. And in grammar, first of all, we are having the chapter model. You know, in your previous classes, you might have studied about models. What are model? Models are auxiliary verbs that denotes mood, capacity, ability, and many things that related to human beings. Now we are going to study one by one each of the model. There are 13 types of models: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, used to, ought to, need to, and dare. Now, after having the kinds, we are going to study these models one by one. First of all, can. Now, can. How can we use can? You know, in Hindi, can gives the sense of सकता है, सकती है in a particular sentence. But as a model, these सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं reflects some type of qualities of that particular person. Now, what are these qualities? The first one is ability. Ability means mental ability. Means he is quite able enough to do anything through his mental power. Now the second one is the capacity of a person. Capacity means physical strength, power. The third one is giving permission. Means when we ask for permission, we have to apply the model may. But while we are having the permission, while the permission is being granted, in such condition, can model will be applied. And the last one is negative possibility, when the possibility in negation. So these four type of activities: ability, capacity, giving permission means permission granted, and negative possibility are reflected by can. Now you know very well that can is used in present times in order to show ability and capacity of a person. So if there is present tense, you will have to apply can. See the example. Examples are given here. The first one is he is intelligent. Now here is present tense, means it is telling the present capacity of a person, present ability of a person. He is intelligent. He blank solve this question. Now in present time he is quite able. Able means वह ऐसा कर सकता है, and in such condition we will have to apply can. Now see the second one. She is strong. Now it is reflecting physical capacity, physical strength of a person. So she is strong. She blank lift this bag. मतलब वो इतनी ताकतवर है कि वो इस बैग को उठा सकती है. Now the third one. Here the permission is being granted. Yes, हाँ. You blank come in. While we ask standing at the door of the classroom, we ask our teacher for his permission to come in. We say, may I come in, sir? And when the teacher grants permission, he replies, yes, you can come in. Now the fourth one. See, it blank not rain today. It is negative possibility, and in condition of negative possibility we will have to apply can. Now see the use of could. could means सकता था, सकती थी, सकते थे. It is just past of can. Means as a past of can we apply could. Could reflects the same thing as can along with some of its own particular qualities, like could, सकता था, सकती थी, सकते थे. Now when the sentence is in past tense, we will have to use could in order to show ability of that person, capacity of that person. So in order to show the ability and capacity of person, could is applied only in past tense, but it has one more quality, that is intense polite request. When we are doing polite request and when it is in intense, we will have to apply could. Now you can see the example. See, when he was young. Now when he was young, just focus on the verb used here, was denoting past tense, and that's why the sentence following it, if it shows capacity or ability, it only requires could. So when he was young, he blank climbed on tree. Now it is his physical capacity, but not in present, it was in past. Now see the second. Mohan was intelligent. He blank get first rank. Mohan is not intelligent now, it was intelligent. And that's why it denotes ability in the past. And the last one is blank, you give me some money. So here polite request, intense polite request, and in such condition you will have to apply could here. I think you might have got the use of can and could. So write these things in your notebook and we shall study some more models in our next class. Okay, thank you.